They don't see you when the house is quiet, when everyone's asleep, and you're still calculating how to stretch what's left. This isn't laziness. This isn't mismanagement. This is survival. But what if it didn't have to be? Lean finance starts with value, not just numbers, but what really matters. Security for your kids, peace in your marriage, space to dream again. Map it out. Where does it all go? What's draining your strength? What can we cut, not just from your budget, but from your worry? When your system flows, you breathe easier. Bills get paid. Savings grow. Arguments fade. Love, not lack, starts to lead. Respect for people starts with you. You don't have to be a financial genius. You just need a plan that works, even when life doesn't. This isn't about being perfect. It's about sustaining the peace you're working so hard to build. One habit, one win, one system that holds when you feel like falling. This is bigger than bills. This is legacy, freedom, dignity. Let's build a system that honors your effort and finally works for your future. I'm AnthonyDoty. Let's automate what's routine, manage what matters, and dominate the future. Book your free session today. Your story isn't done. It's just starting to turn the page.